It's Valentine's Day tomorrow, and these choco chip cookies will be perfect to impress your date. So let's make it. First, I have taken some cold butter which are cut into cubes in a bowl. To this, add white sugar, brown sugar, and mix it. Here, I'm not creaming the butter and sugar, instead, I'm keeping it in a crumbly texture. Here you can see bits of butter and it is completely okay because we are looking for that crumbly texture. Now I'm adding a bit of vanilla essence and I'm gonna mix it. Now to this I'm adding some choco chips and the chocolate chunks and I'm gonna mix it. I had ran out of choco chips, so that's why I'm adding choco chunks. You can add either one of these in the same quantity. Once it is well mixed, let's add our dry ingredients. Sift in the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and gently mix it. This sandy crumbly texture is what we are after. Once this is done, whisk an egg in a bowl separately and then add this egg to the cookie mixture and gently mix it. Now divide this mixture into 71 gram each and gently press to make it into a ball. Make sure you're gentle with it, otherwise it will become dense and the cookie will turn out hard. Now place this in an airtight container and freeze it for at least 2 hours. If you freeze it for overnight, it is well and good. You can keep this dough in a freezer for up to a month, so whenever you need a cookie, just grab one out and bake it. Now place all the cookie doughs with some distance on a hot preheated baking tray and bake it in a preheated oven for 14 to 16 minutes. Once it is done, take it out and let it cool to the room temperature. Now enjoy this with your Valentine, and if you don't have one, then make one for yourself because you deserve it. Either way, try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon for more such updates. Until next time, see ya!